Which car is affordable? Is it this one or is it this one? If you chose the car on the left, you are right. Here's why. Affordable, not expensive, reasonably priced. I cannot afford to buy the new iPhone. However, I can afford this Nokia. Affordable. Afford. This room is very spacious. Spacious means big and with a lot of space. Spacious. Here's another picture of a spacious room.
Wow!
Convenient. Near or easy to get to or use. Convenient. Paying by card is more convenient than paying in cash. Convenient. Do you remember the new words? So this phone is affordable. This room is very spacious. Paying by card is convenient. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe.